Alright YouTube, this is the Bass Guy. This is a video update. Kind of clear up the mess that I had over here with the wires around everywhere. But as you see, with everything wired up, this is basically how it's going to look. And I'm going to probably add a voltmeter right there in the middle on top of my micro amp. But on my sub amps, I'm running monster cables or subwoofer cables. And these definitely make a difference compared to the Stinger RCAs that I used to run. So definitely had to find out or find a scheme to run these wires, and everything came out. But everything is wired up, as you see. And I actually just wired up my other 2-channel that's going to be running on my kick panels. And I did the wiring over here as well. And I'm going to add a beauty panel on this side. And I did the wiring over here, as you see, just so I can separate the RCAs from my power. And I'm gonna dress those wires up as well. And as you see, the amp is on. And this massive audio 1000.2 is going to be on both of my kick panels. So just to give y'all an overview on what all the amps are going to be running. All right, this is going to be running my 2 kick panels. Not 2 kick panels, but my 2 6s, the one on the left and the one on the right. This is for my left set of subs. This is for my right set of subs. The 3500.4, this is going to be on my left door for my mids. This is going to be on the right door for my mids. This amp right here is going to run all my dome tweeters, my CT2 tweeters. Every tweeter that's in my truck is going to run that. And this 250.1 is going to run my center console tweeters. Well, not tweeters. I'm not going to have tweeters in the center console right on the right at the bottom of the dash where I used to have those old Selenium tweeters at. I'm actually running Hertz 4.5-inch speakers, and that 250.1 is going to be on those 4-inch speakers. So that's basically the outline of all these amps. And I'm gonna let y'all check out the 2 6s that I got. And I got it in a little paper, a little cardboard box just to simulate real music. So let me play something on the USB. And it don't sound as good because it's not fully sealed and there's a lot of cracks and open, so it's not gonna sound as good as it should. I got some DJ Rustical stuff on here, just to give y'all an idea. These gonna be in the 6s. Well, these gonna be in the kick panels once everything is said and done. Just wanted to get the best sound I could out of these speakers. And I have these bridged at 4 ohms. These are getting 640 watts total. Once I get all my tweeters in, I get my doors in, my A-pillars in. All I gotta do is wire up everything. This truck will be ready to go. I can start doing some demos. Just waiting on my doors now. Missing my tweeter, that's why I'm missing that extra sound. That's why my highs need to be kicking into place. These PRV Neos have a hard kick to them, especially if you adjust them good. But that's an update, guys. Closer and closer to completion.